Hey guys, today we got a high-rise ranch unit. Fits the 09 to 18 Ram with the 6'4" bed. It's dark green in color. It looks black, I'm sure, in this video, but it's actually really dark green. It's in decent shape. It doesn't have much problems on this one. Back edge, back look good. Top and the top edge look nice. Front edge looks good. Does have some chips here on the very bottom edge, like it's been set on the ground right there. And then you got a couple small ones down. Oops. Right there. And then it really doesn't look bad. There's a little scratch right there on the side. Really not bad. Does have the double bay windows with the half side slider on the side. Front sliding window on the front. The sun on it, it may be able to see the greenness on it, but I'm not sure it's even going to show up. A little bit of a paint mark right there. Does have some chips on the front edge up here. Kind of common with these high rises because they sit up so high, so they get road debris, stone chips. A couple chips right there, probably from the third brake light off the truck cab. A little bit of a paint wear right there again. I got dirt coming out of here. Sliding window slides open so you can access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. Just have some scuffs right there. Top and the top edge on this side look pretty good. Nothing major on this side. Back edge looks good. There's a couple little blisters there on the bottom edge, but really not much to see there. Bottom edge on this side looks good. A couple just a small nicks right there on the bottom edge. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it was set on the ground. This happens a lot of times when we get these bought. They're taking them off a truck and they've set them down. A couple chips in it there. Really not bad. Half side slider on the side. Double bays in the back. Double T-handle locking rear door. Paint looks good back through here. Inside is carpeted. Looks really good inside. It's a fairly new unit, so there's not a lot of damage on it. Screens are in good shape. No holes in the screens I can see on this side. Does have a tilt-in front window, so you can flip the lever here and then one on this side. That allows you to tilt this window in so that you can clean the front of this one and the back of the truck cab here, and then the front of this window. Then you can fold this back up, latch that down, and it seals that back up again. Screen on this side looks good. These are sliding ventilation windows, so they slide open like so for ventilation. It's really nice on the inside here. There's a ranch. It is serial numbers right here. Doesn't give you a lot of information on it, but that's the serial number there. So there it is. It's a high-rise ranch model. Fits the 09 to 18 Dodge Ram body style trucks, as well as then the 19 to 22 Ram Classics. So the 09 to 18 and the 19 to 22 Ram Classics. So that 09 to 18 body style with the 6.4 bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, those can all be purchased online as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck and you're kind of waiting for something to come in, you want to know, when you get it in right away, we upload inventory to YouTube and to our website right away when we get them in. So this way, if you subscribe below, you'll be able to keep up to date on some of that stuff as it's coming in, and hopefully get what you need for your truck. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. You'll need to pick these up at one of our locations. We do not ship these. Thanks for watching.